Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11 Air, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad, and the first code is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with both the IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So this is the fastest way to check all of those essential numbers. Another code that I can present you today, and which is still working because nowadays developers simply block different codes, is *##225###. And right here we've got the list of all events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. However, the drawback of this section is that you are able to check the number of specific events in specific categories. However, we cannot really enter the category to check some further details. That's all we can check here. It's only the number of the events. And the last code, which still works in this device, is *##426###. And here we are in the diagnostics. It is provided by Google. You can check the server host port time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. So just tap on it, tap on the status, and here we've got more information, of course, more technical information like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.